In this episode, we will understand how to use Pino library for logging in Node.js REST API. Don't get confused with the Pine library, which we have implemented in the previous episode. So these two are completely different. So let's get into implementation. Yeah, first we need to uninstall Pine library, which we have implemented in the previous episode. Let's uninstall with the uninstall command. Now we have to run this Pino install command, and this Pino library gets added to the dependencies object. We need to change that Pine to Pino, the import command, and also there is an error here. Let's see. I think we need to change the variable as well to Pino. Yeah, let's change the variable. Now it's working fine. So if you notice, by default this library is giving you the output. All these console log statements are in JSON document. So let's hit this post call and let's see how it works. Maybe it's in debug mode, that's why we're not able to see those. Let's change that debug to info just for this implementation. Let's change this and test it out how it looks. Yep, you can actually see even this one is also in JSON format. So by default this library is giving console all the statements in JSON format. Let's check another feature where you can actually print all these statements in a separate file. So we can use transport, pino.transport, and you can use the target called pino/file, and also options. You can see you can give the destination logs api.log, and if there is no directory, you can pass the flag make directory true, so that it will create the directory if there is no directory. I think we need to give correct path. We just need to put the dot there, dot/logs/api.log. Let's add dot at line number 4 and then run the application. As you can see, the logs folder is created now. Open the logs folder and you can see api.log file. Even here also all the logs are printed in JSON format. Let's hit this and reload the file again. When you reload the file, you can see more statements, more logger statements. And let's try another option. Instead of transport, let's try another option. We can pretty print. When you install the module called Pino Pretty, we can print our statements with color, and it looks very pretty. Let's see. Okay, we need to install Pino Pretty first. Let's install this command. Sorry, let's install this module. Now module is installed. Let's run the application again. Let's make the post call and see the results. Now as you can see, now there is no JSON format. No, you can see the JSON format, but it is all the logger statements is printed with a nice color. So those are the two options that we have checked here, but there are so many other options. You can check their page, and it is very difficult to test all the configuration options here. So you can try it out. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.